I had somebody ask me about my filming setup in my, or not my filming setup, but the area I take photographs in my studio, and this is it right here. It's very simple. It's just a stand that I have, and I've got this piece of, actually a couple pieces of paper. I've got Yupo paper, which is a polypropylene paper that you can clean off really easily, and I have that clipped up on a board, basically, and leaned up against the wall, so I just have it kind of, it's not bent, but it's just kind of like leaning, and it just bends. It's not bent, but it bends, so I have a seamless backdrop. And then clipped to my bookshelf right there, I know it's not like ideal, but I have just a clip light clipped to a book there on my bookshelf. And then the other light that's pointed to that is clipped up to my ceiling. So if I had absolute perfect photography scenario set up here, I would have probably two lights kind of coming off from each corner at a 45-degree angle, but that, you know, hey, who has perfect, right? This works, and if I do get a little shadow in there, but I find that doesn't really matter. It doesn't really show up too much. I'm just using this for social media and blog photos, and that works out pretty well. So what I would do, and I've got you on the tripod here, what I would do is I would stand right in front like this, and I would just kind of square it up. And I would zoom in and I would take my shot just like that. I would probably zoom in enough that I wouldn't have that shadow from the book over there, but I could take those books off if I needed to, if there was like a really big, like an important photo I needed to take for a magazine or something. But I just wanted to show you that. I just have simple clips, paper clipped to a board leaning against the wall on top of a stand. If you don't have Yupo paper, you could use poster board, or any white drawing paper would work fine. Yupo is really nice just because it lasts a long time. I don't have to replace it very often, and I can dust it and even wipe it down with a wet wipe if I need to, because it's a sheet of plastic, basically, thin plastic. So I hope that helps anybody that's looking for a budget-friendly way that they can take photos at home that look really good for social media or their blog or their website or whatever. It works great, and I hope it helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until next time, happy crafting!